I believe you became hypersensitive to old technology epoxies, is that right?
I really did. I only had to smell it.
Yep.
And that was it. I was gone for a fortnight.
Gee.
Yeah, I just looked like I'd been out in the desert with no hat for a fortnight.
Yeah,
and, anyway, I got onto that, and I think I struck you, Dave, at one of the boat shows, and I was talking to you, and you said, try this. Well, actually, I used Purbond.
Purbond, yeah.
And I built 6 10-foot skiffs with Purbond. Never had a failure.
Yep.
The secret is how you use the water with it.
Yep.
And cramp it and make your joins properly, and it won't let go. We've even done masts with it.
Brilliant.
And it's been very good.